check ready. Okay children, so as we have learned the 16 different kind of patterns or objects, so which definitely help you to understand the 4-line concept and the way in which you have to say it, how to hold the notebook, how to hold the pencil and all these things you might have done this. Don't worry whether you have got the objects properly or not, don't worry. After this particular chapter, that is known as basic font identification, as I said, we are going to take the help of an object. With that object, how one particular alphabet is getting formed, then with that alphabet what are the related alphabets we are going to get. Like that we are going to take some 5 basic alphabets by which we are going to learn to write all the 26 alphabets. That technique is known as basic font identification. After that I will teach you that airbrush technique and mental writing. Then you apply the same technique for both the patterns as well as to the object, so that everything will get correct. Okay. So let's take the object, the last object. What is that object? Grandpa stick. In what degree we have put that grandpa stick? 45 degree. Straight is 90 degree. So if you put the bisection, that is 45 degree. So listen carefully, as I said, don't write anything, just look at the board, watch carefully. I am going to write very slowly only, you also write very slowly, write as slow as you possible. Okay. Start from baseline, draw a 45 degree straight line. The moment it touches the middle line, gently leave like this. So you will get the 45 degree grandpa stick. Now repeat the same process, 45 degree grandpa stick. Without lifting, come back on the same line, but take a curve at 50%, touch the base line, lift up. You will get C. This is the structure of C, this is the formation of C. So you are drawing a straight 45 degree between base and middle, first part. Without lifting, gently you are taking inward direction, you will get the 45 degree grandpa stick. Without leaving, with 50% means exactly half, you have to take a turn. Touch the base, lift up. Both should come in the same line. So you will get the letter C. Clear? Now repeat the same process, 45 degree, grandpa stick, 50%, touch the base, form C. Now this place is known as nick. Just connect the nick and come back and stand on the baseline like this, you will get the structure of A. Now repeat the same process, 45 degree grandpa stick, take a turn at 50%, form C, connect nick, up, base. You will get the same size only, because you cannot have the different sizes, different shapes, because it is like a formula. 45 degree straight line, even if you put the same line, even if I put same line, taking a turn at 50%, so you will get this gap, you are connecting the neck and coming straight, so you cannot have the different shape at all, right? But if you change the angle 45 degree, instead of 45 degree, if you put 30 degree, 45 degree, 50 degree, 55 degree, you will get different shapes. Okay, just remind that. Now repeat the same process, 45 degree grandpa stick, take a turn at 50%, form C, connect the neck, come back straight to the down line, take a inward direction narrowly till baseline. It should be very narrow. Don't try to practice like this. Okay, just imagine you graduated, you got a very good job, or you got your own dream business, and you bought Audi new car, and instead of a car you want to pose. How will you pose? Stylely you will be cross-legging, not like this, right? The same way you imagine it should be like this. Now repeat the same process, 45 degree grandpa stick, take a turn at 50%, form C, connect the neck, go to down, go outward direction again narrowly. You cannot have too much of distance, it should be narrow to the straight line. Clear? Now repeat the same process, 45 degree grandpa stick, 50%, form C, connect the neck, then right top corner on the middle line make a small bonding. ஒரு சின்ன முடிச்சு மாதிரி small bonding, you will get the structure of O. Now 45 degree, don't put grandpa stick, but imagine a C in mirror. So it is looks in the opposite direction. So opposite, reverse C, touch the base, go inward, come on the same line, draw a forward C. So go down, come back, touch, go up. You will get X. So 45 degree, reverse C, forward C. That is the formula for X. Now one letter remaining in this space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One letter, do the grandpa stick 45 degree, but take a reverse direction in this direction. This is reverse direction. Carefully watch where it is taking turn. Once you have put the reverse grandpa stick, then draw a normal C, touch the baseline and lift up. This is the structure of E. You will get this space, from broad to narrow. This is the structure of E. Straight line, reverse grandpa stick, C. 45 degree, reverse C, forward C. 45 degree grandpa stick 50%, C, nick, middle line bonding. 45 degree, 50% grandpa stick, nick, down, outward direction. 45 degree grandpa stick, 50% turn, C, nick, down, inward direction. 45 degree grandpa stick, 50% turn, nick, up, base. 45 degree grandpa stick, 50% turn, C, nick, base. 45 degree grandpa stick, 50%, touch the base, lift up. So you will get the entire C family letter, 8 letters altogether you will get in this family. All you need to learn is how to put the grandpa stick properly. For 7 letters it is in this direction, 45 degree angle. For only one letter it is in this direction, but again 45 degree angle. Clear children? Very good. Now let us go to the second family, L family. We will get the help of a long stick or a straight line. Okay. Just look at the board, don't write anything. From the baseline, make a small bend, go straight till top, come straight till base, make a small bend at the baseline. This is the structure of L, long stick. Again repeat the long stick, small bend at the baseline, go straight, but ensure it is not touching the top line, come straight, touch the base, take a turn, make a small crossbar on the middle line. T will never touch the top line and the small crossbar should be on the middle line. Small bend till middle straight, straight, small bend, then dot, and the dot and the middle line you should have a space, that is I. Then straight, long stick, come down, glass down. Imagine a glass, juice glass, straight glass, you put down, you will get H. Then long stick, go slightly beyond middle, come to the down line, again put a glass down, you will get P. This is a open one, not a closed one. Now 45 degree long stick, inward direction, dot. Again make sure that you have a space between the dot and the middle line, you will get J. Then long stick, capital R, like this, you will get small letter K. Then long stick, middle line bonding, you will get B. Then long stick, down line, go broad and make a bonding at the baseline. Bonding should happen at the baseline, you will get F. So you will get 9 letters. Long stick is an object we have taken. Long stick is always a straight line. Don't forget to bend at the baseline for L, T, I. Straight line, it will not touch the top line, small crossbar. Dot should have a space for I as well as to the J. J, this is 45 degree straight line. And H and P will have long stick and the straight glass. It should happen in down direction. Then long stick and capital R. and long stick middle line bonding, long stick base line bonding, that is for F. So, you will get 9 letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? Now, let us go to the third family. We will take the help of an object, the glass. Okay. So, first draw a 45 degrees, imagine it is a straw. Now, you put a glass down, you will get N. Then imagine a 45 degree, put 2 glass straight down, but this time ensure both the glasses are the same size. Then again put another straw at 45 degree, make a glass straight down, you will get U. Then another 45 degree straw, make one glass straight, go down line, inward direction narrowly, you will get Y. Then 45 degree straw, 2 glass straight, middle line bonding, you will get W. Then 45 degree, this direction 45 degree you will get a triangle, this direction 45 degree you will get a inverted triangle and make a bonding on the middle line, you will get V. So, with the help of an object called glass, glass should be straight glass, this is the object we have taken, we are putting a straw at 45 degree before the every glass, you will get one glass down N, 2 glass down even size M, one glass straight U, one glass straight inward direction Y, 2 glass straight even size middle line bonding, you will get W, 45 degree triangle and 45 degree inverted triangle, you will get middle line bonding, you will get V. So, this is the third family. So, to learn all the 23 letters, we have to learn only C, L, N. We could be able to get all the 23 alphabets. Now, let us see the fourth family, which is R family. For R, we do not have any object, but listen carefully. Draw 45 degree straight line. Just take a turn just beyond middle line. This is the second part. Then make a curve without touching the middle line. Then form an inward C. You will get R. Clear? First part is drawing a 45 degree. You are taking a turn beyond middle line. Then making a curve without touching the middle line. Then you are forming a C. You will get R. Clear, children? Now, the same 45 degree turn beyond middle line, form a triangle like this, then go and close it at this. This is the structure of S. S is the only closed letter. We will not connect after S in our method of cursive writing. So, is it clear? Triangle. Both R and S will have a turn just about middle line. This is the fourth family of letters. Then the final family of letters is Z. Here we are going to take the help of number 7 as an object. So, 45 degree, number 7 you can draw like this. Just make a small curve, draw, go off and inward direction. So, number 7 either it could be this direction or it can have a small bend, again it should be this direction, both these angles should be same. Then you have to go till middle line, you will get the space, this space between base and middle, you will get this space, you will get this space. Clear, children? So, this is the method called basic font identification. By learning to write C, L, N, R and Z, 5 alphabets, now we could able to write all the 26 alphabets. Here we have taken the object called grandpa stick 45 degree, here we have taken the object called long stick, here we have taken the object called glass, here we have taken the object triangle, or we do not have any object. For number 7 we have taken. Clear? Very good, super.